my country people. See, the man wey you see for the video so na Oga Abdullahi Bafa, na him dey campaign for Buhari for inside 19 states wey dey north. The same man been dey work for TET fund as their Oga, as you know, part-time things. We don't go here say they don't sack am. Yes. Anyways, at least now he go fit get time, do wetin he get talent for. You know, he go just get time, do wetin he get talent for. Because as it be so, now he be senior Buhari evangelist, and he got, you know, focus on that one first. Very, very important. Anyway, the Coco come be say evangelist Abdullahi don't come out, come talk say the reason why them sack am be say education minister, that's the Oga Adamu. Say he been tell her make he give am 200 million naira, wey be money wey they suppose, you know, use help our universities, make them better for our brothers and sisters wey they learn for inside. He talk say Oga minister been send one contractor, you know, make a come meet am and say him no green. So now him Oga minister take sack am just like that. Hey, country people, me I know they there, oh, I know they there. So I don't know who they talk through and who they talk like, but my own be safe. The way they take, you know, touchlight the petition when they write on top Oga CGN on again head inside 3 days, make them use the same speed, touchlight this matter. Very, very important though. Make them touchlight this matter. Make this one no con, you know, they like Oga grass cutter lover. Oh no. Where, you know, we still never hear PIM until now. We still never hear PIM. Anyways, my country people, my name is Oma Wiggy, and this na Kasala Central. Una well done. So, Madam Obi Ezekwesili, we been dey run for president, don't talk say she no go run again, no, country people. Say she won't make the other people, you know, where they run, where no the PDP and APC from waiting, then they call coalition so that they fit win the election. My country people, this one a merry-go-round show. Yes, now, Madam Obi bin don't do referee for inside one coalition before. She can't talk say that one no do. Say she said she want follow contest. Now she don't talk say them no do coalition again. An election don't almost reach you. Anyways, now wow, me I don't even know what to even talk say for this one. It is all right. It is really, really all right. The one way, you know, they do me somehow now, say, before she talk, say she want run, she been talk, say she don't talk to, you know, some people them. Say them tell them, say, make she run. She don't come talk, say, she talk to some people again, and, you know, they can't tell her, say, make she no run. I bet, which kind of people be this now? Which kind of people be this? Now, the same people, which people, I don't just understand. Now the same people, why them, you know, they do my auntie or be like this now? Why? It be like person where they send message, make you go check what they happen for our side. Anyway, now the, you know, democracy, where they talk with this, and so democracy be. And now why I like her, for inside democracy, anybody fit run. Yes, they fit talk say they no one run again too. They fit just they say me, I'm not running again, and also you go just do nothing spoil. Person be, you know, send me message, say make I explain some things. Say he get some things where, you know, they too understand. As my first lady, I got to deliver. You know, as you know, first lady where I be, I got to deliver. So the person say make I explain mercy and miracle. No problem. I will explain the meaning of mercy and miracle. Number one, mercy. This one now, when you do bad thing, when them supposed to use strong thing, but them tell you say make you no worry, say no wahala. For example, APC National Chamo, that's na comrade Osho Baba. Don't talk say you no get the kind bad thing where you do. Say as you join APC, so all the things where you do, say all your sins, say they don't, you know, forgive them, finish.
But I'm told there are a lot of very, very senior people from PDP who have decided to join.
Osho Baba himself, he don't join himself. Yes. No be here we dey when he run. Him and his wife go USA sake of say them been say he collects money to take do mago inside APC primaries. No be here we be there. Yes, that he don't come back. Nothing do am. Na himself he start to give amnesty. Sorry, mercy to everybody. We join APC. Wonderful something. Very, very wonderful something. Sometimes no be say you do the bad things, so but na accusation, you know. So like one man wey been dey run things for TET fund, where them they call Suleiman Bogoro. That time they be talk say he carry 200 billion wey be money, you know, where TED funds suppose use do one or two things for our university them. Say this Oga Bogoro being use support before President Jonathan election. So as in, you know, talk say him do this thing, they can't talk say him do this thing, they can't sack him, can't carry the matter go EFCC. All these things been happening inside 2016, but my brothers and sisters, this same Oga Bogoro, now him, you know, President Buhari don't appoint for the same TED fund again, no? Yes! Now messy with that. It no matter whether you do the thing where they talk say you do, but them don't carry in position. Give them back. Shall not be everybody they, you know, enjoy this messy thing, you know? Some people go do bad thing and them go blame technology, but the other person will follow do the bad thing go lose contract. Got you people. Anyway, everybody get their own grace, but the grace of APC members, now you better pass. Oh, hey. Number 2, miracle. This one, I when something where people no believe say go fit happen. When it happen, na miracle. Yes, so una no say you get some things where people don't talk, say lie, you know fit happen. Say no way, say road no day for that side. Now the G's where they, you know, carry come on top Atiku matter. Hey. They talk say you know fit enter America. Say as he enter, police go just, you know, arrest them. Sake of say they been talk say him been do some bad things. The one where them they call bribery and corruption. The people talk say America no go even give am visa make it take travel. Oh yeah, now Oga Atiku been deny self say him he no do any bad thing for inside USA. Say now just say them never give am visa. But APC people no agree, they no agree. Then be they talk say how person when no fit enter UFC, you know, go they talk say him want become president. Anyway, children of God, now miracle way don't happen. So as Oga Atiku don't enter, you know, USA. As I see the picture, me say I confirm say true, now America be this. As he enters, so he just they do meeting upon meeting with business people and American politicians. Them, oh yes. Anyway, my country people. As I dey happy for Oga Atiku, make I follow talk say I know happy say, you know, he no debate the other people where they run for president, sake of say Buhari no come. Oga Atiku been, you know, even dey the place where they do the debate. Now just say Buhari no show. But I be say if Buhari put out for inside fire, she been go follow, you know, put out for inside fire. If Buhari talk say him no want run again, he go follow him. Buhari been say him dey busy. She be him too, him busy for Nigerians. Now wow, now wow. Shall you know good say Mr. President and the major opposition candidates no come debate. No be like that, then they take do something. And last, as I dey talk every time, if you never go collect your PVC, I beg make you rush go collect them. Very, very important because election period, you don't reach so make you know go collect your PVC sharp. So you fit, you know, vote your conscience. Yes, so my country people, so we don't come reach the end for today Kasala Central. If you not say you never go collect your PVC, I beg you do it. Make you try, I beg. Shall go collect your PVC because election time don't reach. Make we, you know, try vote our conscience.